In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to activate Stripe Tax so you can start collecting tax on your courses. All right, let's dive in. First, you want to make sure your Stripe account is connected and active. That's the foundation. Without it, none of this is going to work. Once that's done, head over to your Stripe dashboard and activate Stripe Tax. Yeah, it's a separate step. Activating Stripe itself isn't enough. Now, inside your course platform, go to the admin section, then integrations. Scroll down till you find Stripe Tax and toggle it on. Next up, tax behavior. You've got two options here, inclusive and exclusive. Inclusive means the tax is baked into the price. So let's say your course is $100 and tax is 20%. You'll get $80 and $20 goes to taxes. Exclusive is different. That means tax gets added on top. So your $100 course becomes $120 at checkout, and you still pocket the full $100. The $20 goes to taxes separately. Now there's one more thing, Tax ID collection. If you're selling to businesses, this is handy. Turn this on and your students will see a form on the checkout page where they can enter their business name and tax ID. Super useful for B2B sales. Once you've set all that up, just hit activate and boom. Stripe Tax is live. Quick heads up though, your students will be asked to enter their address so tax can be calculated properly. Also, note that tax won't show up on checkout pages or invoices unless you're registered in that specific tax jurisdiction. All right, let's do a quick recap. Make sure Stripe is active. Go to your Stripe dashboard and enable Stripe Tax. In your course platform's admin, click the Integrations tab, scroll to Stripe Tax. Choose your tax behavior, inclusive or exclusive. Turn on Tax ID collection if needed. Hit activate. Once you've done all that, go check your checkout page. You'll see tax being calculated and added automatically. Super easy, right? Thanks for watching and have fun creating your courses.